Hello guys, it's Richard from gadgetgist.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys the complete or a few specifications of the Infinix Hot S5. The Infinix Hot S5 has just appeared on the internet, and in this video I'm going to share what I see to you guys, and without wasting your time, let's get to the video. The Infinix Hot S5 has just appeared on Google Play Console. It appears with its few specs and the image also. The Infinix Hot S5 is the successor of the Infinix Hot S4, which was released in April this year. Unlike the Infinix S4, the Infinix S5 will now be coming with a punch hole display where the front selfie camera sits. This made it the first Infinix device to sport a punch hole display. However, it is still on the budget section. It still has an HD Plus display, which is a 720 by 1600 resolution and a DPI of 320. According to the listing, it is powered by MediaTek Helio P22 chipset, which runs on Android 9.0 Pie out of the box. The processor is also supported by 4GB RAM. Other specifications of the device wasn't revealed, but we expect that more leaks will be coming soon. Looking at the image, you can tell that this device might come with a polycarbonate build and a gradient glossy color finish, just like its predecessor. As you can see, the Infinix Hot S5 rocks the same MediaTek Helio P22 chip which Infinix S4 has, but there is a change already in the display department. This one now uses a punch hole display. There might be a change in the camera and the battery department also in the future. Even on the display, you can see that Infinix S5 now has a smaller chin and thin bezels, which we think it might be on 20:9 aspect ratio side, like a 6.5 inches display. Yeah, so that's it for the leaks, guys. That's what I see on internet, and I feel like to share with you guys what I saw. If you want to see the complete, like, unofficial specifications of the Infinix Hot S5, if you want to see it, there's a link in the description of this video. You can go to the link and you click on it. You'll see the unofficial expected specification of the Infinix Hot S5. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more mobile news just like this one, and also for specs and smartphone reviews. And I will talk to you in my next video. Remain humble. Peace.